What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal, aka Curly Chris, and in today's video I am doing a braid out finally. I feel like I have not done a braid out in like months, so I'm really excited about this braid out because I miss them. I really miss them. And yeah, girl is using the Melanin hair care cream again. Y'all know I used it for a wash and go when I used this and then the extreme gel, and I said in that video I wanted to try for a twist out, but I decided that I'm going to go ahead and do a braid out because I really need something that's very moisturizing. And so many people have said this product alone is super moisturizing, so I'm very interested in seeing that because I need something that's very moisturizing. My hair has been going through a whimsy, like it's been kind of crazy, so I want to just do lots and lots of moisturizing products today. So my leave-in conditioner is going to be the Tropical Moringa leave-in conditioner. I really do like this one. I feel like it has a nice consistency and everything. And then I'm also going to follow up with an oil. Which oil I have not decided just yet. So I'm just going to use the extra virgin olive oil by As I Am. I love this packaging, by the way. So yeah, if you have not subscribed to my channel, smash the button down below, okay? It is 5 a.m. right now. I'm kind of delirious, so in case I'm like, you like, sis, what's going on? It's 5 a.m. It's late or early. So yeah. Let's go ahead and jump right into this video because I want to just hurry up and braid my hair. So I'm not going to talk too much in today's video. I'm just going to be so focused on getting this done. Yeah. Alright, let's jump into it. Alright, so the twists are, I'm so used to saying twist. The braids, plaits are done. So I'm going to let this dry and I'm going to come back tomorrow and we're going to take them out. But I have really good feelings about it. This cream is so bomb and moisturizing, y'all. Like, I don't feel like I really got the true benefits of it when I did the wash and go because I put the gel on top. So now I feel like I'm really able to see how good this works by itself. And the olive oil on top seal the deal, y'all. Okay, so hopefully I have the same opinions tomorrow and we will see tomorrow. So I'll see you later. What it do, baby? Alright, so the braids are looking good. Y'all, these braids really, really look good. And it didn't even shrink that much. Like, they still pretty long, I feel. So I'm excited about that. I'm really excited to see how this is going to turn out because I miss my braid outs so much, y'all. Like, I have not done a braid out in forever. So let's get to it. I'm putting some of this olive oil on my hands just to relieve any frizz. I think that they're going to stop this shine. Not today. Alright. Ooh. 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 I got a feeling in my left big toe that it's about to be lit. Oh, that left big toe tingling, y'all. So won't you say my name, say my name. You claim you want me, say no. And it's 5 a.m. out here, y'all. So in case y'all hear like trucks and vehicles, that's why. Because it's 5 a.m. people going to work. I'm finna be one of them. Definition, honey. We did not come to play. My hair dried for 2 days. Just air dried. And I got in the dryer for about 30 minutes. We're here. Fully dried. Look at that. See, whenever your hair just undoes like that, whenever you pull it, yeah. That's when you know. And y'all, the crazy thing about braid outs is like your hair is like this, right? And look like it's not even gonna be cute because it's like crinkly and not like curly like a twist out is. But when you take them braids out and like when you unravel them and separate them, girl, braid outs be my favorite sometimes. I just like twist outs because of course the look, but also it's much easier because I'm doing 2 pieces instead of 3. But I like braid outs too because I get like longer results. So yes, I'm so excited. Y'all, I love when I do big juicy braids. Like big juicy braids. Like this one right here. That thing juicy. Look at that. That thing juicy, y'all. Ooh. 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 Wait, let me do that again. Ooh. 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 It is separating so easily. Did you see it? Let me tell you, when you do your braid outs, you want to be able to unravel like that. And that's why you need to make sure your hair is detangled before you install that braid. Because if not, you're going to be pulling and be like, you thought. You got to make sure it's detangled, sis, okay? If it's not detangled, you're making life harder for yourself and your hair going to be frizzy as heck, okay? I'm telling you. So pretty. My hair feels amazing. Ugh. Alright, I'm gonna go take out this side and BRB. Yes. Alright, y'all. So remember when I said that my hair, my braids look more like stretched and everything? Like they look pretty long to me. So I just remembered that the Melanin hair care cream, I was like looking through this way and I was reading the package and it says that it is a twist elongating style cream. So it's meant to elongate your hair. So I'm not sure if it's because of the cream that is elongated or because it's just like a braid out so it's more stretched. But this is my first time using this to style by itself, and so far, y'all, I love it. Oh my gosh. Whitney, Jesus. Whitney is natural 85, by the way, y'all. Like, y'all know I love her so much. So, yeah, let's go ahead and separate. Alrighty, mates. So, I separated all of the braids. And now I'm going to fluff. What do you think? I love the results, y'all. I feel like they are so cute. I love how elongated my hair looks. Like, it looks, the length is lovely, honey. Okay, I'm kind of getting the vibes of when I did my stretch twist out a little bit, because like my results were long as heck when I did that style. So I'm kind of getting those vibes right now, but I love my hair right now. I think that this cream is most definitely moisturizing as heck. I do have a little bit of frizz, like a little bit, but oh well. I don't mind frizz as long as it's not like overpowering, you know, the style. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. I hope y'all really did enjoy this updated braid out routine, because I felt like it was much needed back on the channel, because I have been slipping in the braid out area, but I'm back, sis. So thank you so much for tuning in to tuning into today's video, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next one. Bye.